Computer sir, I want to understand the if-else concept.
Okay, Meena, let's understand it with a very simple pass-fail example. Now we'll understand how we use this flow control concept called if-else. Okay, so this is also a flow control concept where basically flow control concept means where we change path of normal flow. So the if condition, as we learnt earlier, simply changes path to whatever happens with true value and whatever happens with false value. So in this particular if and else, we handle for both true and false flow. Right? Suppose it is a very simple to understand program. We define marks of some student, and if marks are greater than equal to 33, print you passed, else print you failed. So in this construct, for the header construct, we have to observe that there is a instruction called if, then which is followed by a condition and which is followed by a colon character. After this colon character, we give this indentation, and then after indentation we give the block for whatever for true condition we want to give. So this block is for true condition. Okay, the first block is for true condition, and the else block is always for false condition. What condition? This condition given after if. So quite simple to understand. If marks greater than equal to 33, true condition, else you failed, false condition. Right? Let us run this code. Very simple. You passed. Suppose I give a very low value, say 30. So you failed. Always we must check such if conditions with both conditions where the true condition is enabled or false conditions is enabled. Remember that. So I'll again move it to say 45 again. Then it will be you passed. Remember that in Python we do not need this kind of brackets, although these kind of brackets can be given. And suppose we have very long condition, then definitely such brackets are given, which are important to give. And these conditions can be in multiple lines, then these brackets are essentially required. Right? But in one single line, these brackets are not required in Python. Right? This delimiter colon and my delimiter space after my if instruction is sufficient. For this also else, this has to be in the first column as the if column. So this if and this else have to be in the first column, and this after one single tab or some specified indentation. Right? So this is basic if else condition construct. This whole we will call if complete suit with else, and this portion with true condition and this portion with, so there are two blocks in this. One is for true condition, one is for false condition. Okay. So let us see what AI says. Explain if else in Python. I'll simply write this. Okay. Let us see what it explains me. I hope I am able to get what we desire to clearly understand. It is explaining my code itself. Right? Very detailed explanation is there, so you can understand that. If you want to ask more questions, please write in comments, and please do give feedback. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.